What's going on, team? Welcome to today's live trading session. We're gonna go over these pairs one by one. I haven't looked at the charts today, so we'll go through these, see which ones have hit ADR or STP. The ones that already hit ADR or STP, we'll go through them, skip them for the day, and then we'll look at what moves are left for the day. So, there's too much shit on my table right now. God damn it. Alright, so Forex Factory, let's see. We had news at 7 in the morning, which was GBP and Euro news, and then we have 10:30 Canadian news. Okay, and then tomorrow is nothing. I thought we had FOMC or something. FOMC was yesterday. Yeah, that's funny. Okay. The usual thing that we've been talking about for the last 2-3 weeks, right? We knew the news wasn't really gonna do nothing. Alright, so let's go through these pairs one by one. As I said, AUD USD still consolidating for the day, so we'll keep an eye on that one. AUD CAD still consolidating, we'll keep an eye on that one for the day. Euro AUD still sitting in the same position, we'll keep an eye on that. Euro CAD, STP has not been hit just yet, but we're sitting at the highs, so not the best spot to look for a trade. This is where we had the change of character, higher high, higher low, and this is where we'll be looking for the break of structure. So, what pairs is Euro CAD? This might be a pair for the rest of the week, but not for today. So Euro CAD will turn that off. Euro USD still trading in the previous lower low, lower high, lower low, and STP has been hit for the day already as well. So Euro USD will turn this one off. GA, we're still stuck in the zone of consolidation, huge zone of consolidation, so we're just going to turn this one off as well. And what we're looking for is the best looking pair to be able to take a A+ setup. If there's anything that looks good, then we'll keep an eye on that for the day and we'll trade it. If not, then there's nothing to do. Just got to be patient, right? GCAD, we're still trading between the previous high and low. This is where price gave us the break and it just went straight down, straight red candles, no pullbacks all the way to the bottom. And this is where price has been moving sideways for the last 4 or 5 days. So GCAD, I'm going to turn that off until we start. I'm not going to be looking to trade that until we start trending. Once we start trending, that's when I'll start looking to take those trades again. This government shutdown they got to get a grip over there, man. They got to start working again. So GJ gave us a change of character, lower low, lower high, and then it gave us the break of structure, lower low. It gave us a little pullback, and we're in a zone of consolidation. Could they make this easy today and give us a type 1, type 2, or type 3 pattern? Yeah, they can. The question is, will they? And they probably won't. Yeah. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see what happens. GU is pushing up. STP has already been hit for the day, 56 pips, so we'll turn off GU. Still trading between the previous lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then price gave us the trend all the way down to the bottom, giving us this lower high and this lower low. And price is just consolidating. US 30, I'm not trading it, so I'm going to turn this one off for right now. USD CAD, I'm also not trading this one for now, so I'm going to turn that off. USD ZAR, same thing as USD CAD. Gold. I'm also not going to be trading gold. Damn, there's so many pips to catch on gold though. But I will not be trading gold. Bitcoin is also something else I'm not trading for now. Too much volume, man. Too much volatility in the market. Too much fake outs. We'll be patient. And then oil's another one I'm not going to be trading just yet. Once we start trending, that's when I'll start trading US oil. Get away from this zone of consolidation where price is just rejecting lows and rejecting highs the entire time. So again, I really just wanted to turn the stream on so you guys could see like what my thought process is. It's been a few weeks that I haven't done a live trading session. But this is the reason why. Again, like there's really in the NYC session there hasn't been really anything to trade, right? And we see it all the time. We see it with a lot of traders. You know, everybody's taking 4 trades a day and 2 wins and 2 losses and break evens and maybe a red day, maybe a green day. Like there's nothing to trade. There's nothing to trade. There's nothing that's been A plus on the charts these last week and a half. You know, AUD USD is consolidating, AUD CAD is consolidating for the day. Euro AUD, I'll be waiting for a valid break above these highs before I even start taking a trade. GJ is still just consolidating. Gold is in a weird ass position. Again, pretty much in a huge zone of consolidation as well after these lows were made. So where price is rejecting highs, lows, like where are we going? Right? Asia session, you think, you know, Asia session, you catch these buys, you think we'll have a continuation back to the top side straight to stop loss. You think Asia will have a continuation of that, it'll go right back up straight to stop loss. And then you think again, like it's just going back and forth, hitting everybody in and out of trades. You know, when the markets are reacting in this way, when they're in this condition, for me personally, again, there's 2 things. Number one, it's very simple for us to see what area in the market we're in. What market conditions are we in? Are we trending or are we consolidating? Once you realize you're in a zone of consolidation, once I realize I'm in a zone of consolidation, I stay away from trading. I stay away. There's no point. Again, I say this almost every single stream. I stay away because I know the definition of a zone of consolidation. Right? I'll give you another analogy, and you guys know I love giving analogies. If you don't know that a certain animal is dangerous, you're going to pick it up. Right? And you might have a chance that that dangerous animal might hurt you, and there's another chance that the animal might not do anything. Right? If the animal that's dangerous doesn't do anything when you pick it up, and again, you don't know that it's dangerous, the next time you see that fucking animal, you're going to touch him again. You're going to pick him up, and again, there might be a 50% chance that you're going to get hurt by the animal, and there's a 50% chance that he's not going to do anything again. Right? And it isn't until he hurts you that you realize, like, oh shit, this is a dangerous animal. Maybe I shouldn't pick him up anymore. Right? It's the same way in trading. If you don't know that a zone of consolidation is an area in the market where the market makers are trapping traders, inducing traders to hit your stop loss, you're going to continue to trade it. Until one day you realize, like, oh shit, maybe I shouldn't have gotten into that trade in this area because this is where I've been losing 80% of my trades. So it's the same thing. I already know what a zone of consolidation is. I don't have to force a trade here. I don't have to force a trade at any point in my trading. So I'm okay. Once price starts trending again, once we get away from this zone of consolidation, that's when I'll start trading again. It's all good. I'm in no rush. Again, this is a chessboard. We already know where we're at. We already know what we're looking for. We have a change of character. We have a break of structure to the bottom. Price broke below the 800 EMA. Right now, it looks like price wants to continue these downtrend pushes. The fact that we have this gap at the top of the market, price still hasn't filled it. I already know that these short positions are very low probability, and we talked about this on Monday. On top of the fact that we're in a low probability area because of that gap, we also knew that we had a little extended shoulder head shoulder. Did price give us a break below that shoulder head shoulder? No. It gave us an inducement candle. Right? That one red candle that closed below, it gave us the inducement candle, and then price started moving sideways, just trapping traders left and right. trapping traders left and right. So I'm okay. As soon as we get that confirmation that price wants to go short, we'll take the trade going short. As soon as we get that confirmation that price wants to continue these uptrend pushes, we'll take those trades back to the top side. But right now, we don't have any confirmation that price wants to go short, and we don't have any confirmation that price wants to go long. Price is just consolidating. We're moving sideways. We're trapping traders. Everybody who got into these short positions because, oh, it's a break of structure retest. All right. You're probably still in this trade. You've been in this trade all week. Right? How long you been in this trade for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days you've been in this short position, thinking that price is just going to give you a retest to go right back down. You're stuck in a zone of consolidation. It's really that simple. In a zone of consolidation, I'm not going to trade it. There's just too many things to look at. There's too many things that could happen. I'm okay with that. Right? GJ, same thing. In a zone of consolidation, what are we going to trade? What is there to trade? Again, if you guys don't know how to maneuver through a zone of consolidation, go look at Roger Banks. He's the fucking king of trading breakouts and retests. Zones of consolidation, breakout, retest. So again, I'm not trading nothing on GJ. ACAT, same thing. What is price doing? Moving sideways, trapping traders. If you traded Asia, you got fucked. If you traded London, you got fucked. If you're trading now before NYC open, you're most likely getting fucked too. I'm okay with not trading this. We're cool. I'll wait for price to do what it has to do, and that's it. Like, yo, there's nothing to trade. AED USD, zone of consolidation, same thing. Trapping traders left and right. All the people who are thinking that this is this is a pair that's overall on a downtrend, right? So all the people who were trading this thinking that lower low, lower high, lower low, oh, this is going to be the lower high to continue to push down to the bottom, straight to stop loss, right? And now you have the double bottom traders who are currently in these trades going long, after this break and the retest that happened here, right? So again, I'm not trading AU right now. So again, I really just wanted to turn the stream on so you guys could have an idea, so you guys could see how it is that I look through the charts and what I look for. And as you guys can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing for us. This entire week, right? Today is Wednesday, right? Or is it Thursday? It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. This entire week, price has been moving super early during the sessions, right? During Asia or London. Or like yesterday we had news, so I wasn't going to trade before the news. But everything moved before the news. So there hasn't really been a clear opportunity to trade. And that's okay, right? Not every day is going to be a trading day. Not every week is going to be a trading week. You might even have a month where there's no trades that month. And that's okay. So any questions, let me know. We'll give everybody another 3 minutes in the chat. Any questions, anything you guys want me to go over, anything you guys want me to explain again, let me know. If not, then that'll be it for the day, and we'll be back again tonight for the isolation session. Alright, no questions in the chat. Alright. We'll see you guys later tonight for the isolation session. Peace out. It was just announced too. Trump is speaking at 11 a.m. So anybody in trades by the time 11 a.m. hits, make sure you cash out or make sure you stay very vigilant of what's going on. Again, a lot of these pairs are just moving sideways, so be very careful taking trades today. Peace out, guys.